Ever wanted to make crispy restaurant-like fries at home but never really knew how? We'll show you the simple way. Known as the Belgian double fry method, this easy recipe ensures crunchy crispy fries every single time. Begin with slicing your potatoes into medium thick fries. Soak the potatoes in warm salted water for 20 minutes before draining them dry. Pat away excess water with a paper napkin before frying them. Once dry, fry the potatoes on high heat for half a minute. Now let the once fried potatoes cool down at room temperature before we once again sprinkle them with salt. Sprinkle some salt on the cool down potatoes and give them a good toss. Now refrigerate the potatoes for an hour or freeze them for 20 minutes. Bring your potatoes out from the fridge or freezer and make sure they're still cold when you fry them. Fry the potatoes till the color changes into a beautiful golden brown shade. And there you have it, super crispy homemade fries. So the next time you're having a party, you can simply follow right up till step 3 the day or the morning before the event and keep a batch ready to be fried in your freezer. Do let us know how your fries turned out and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.